Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 asks you to write the equation of the line in standard form. So I have y plus 2 equals negative 6 times x plus 1. That's in point slope form. And remember, in standard form, I wanted to say ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers, and a has to be positive. So no fractions, no decimals for a, b, and c. So I'm going to start with the distributive property on the right-hand side. That would give me y plus 2 equals negative 6 times x is negative 6x, and negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. Now, I have my y term on the left side like it's supposed to be, but my x term is on the right side and it needs to be on the left side. So I'm going to add 6x to both sides. That would give me 6x plus y plus 2 equals negative 6x plus 6x is 0, and 0 minus 6 is negative 6. Now I just need to put all my numbers on the right side, so I'm going to subtract 2 from each side. Positive 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 plus 6x plus y is 6x plus y. And negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8. And so now we'll check. I have my x term plus my y term equals my number term. And the x is positive 6. I have no fractions or no decimals. So the linear equation in standard form would be 6x plus y equals negative 8.